Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2010 BMW K1300GT Premium. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2010 BMW K1300GT Premium with 29,035 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips and seats, TPMS, and electronic suspension, an electronic windshield, and an onboard computer. Powered by a 1298cc four-cylinder engine, the K1300GT puts 173 horsepower and 103 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.3-gallon fuel capacity, the K1300 has a 200 to 250-mile range that has a 33.1-inch seat height and a 562-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 6/30 seconds, and the rear at 8/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The cruise control switch is broken. There's a scratch on the left saddlebag, and a paint chip on the upper fairing. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.